First, both the two matters were taken up at 2:30. First matter filed by the AITC, All India Trinamool Congress. And second matter, ED Enforcement Directorate has filed the petition. Right? Now, during the course of hearing, the ED had taken the point of maintainability, and for that reason Mr. Raju had taken almost 50 minutes time. Maintainability. He was reading the brief one paragraph for another paragraph to another paragraph. They said that nothing was seized from the office of the IPAC. Then the respondent number 4, that is the IPAC, their counsel submitted two Panchnama before the court, and both the two Panchnama, it has been recorded that nothing has been seized. Nothing has been seized from the on 8th August, right? And nothing has been found which is a question can be marked, right? Therefore, the writ petition has been disposed of since no seizure has been taken place. In the second writ petition, the ED's counsel was submitting that the matter adjournment will be they sought for an adjournment because the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. Then I took the point. I categorically I have said I am appearing on behalf of Mamata Banerjee as chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress, not as Chief Minister of the West Bengal. Second, we have said blame has been given in this SLP special leave petition against the court. Third, we have said we are ready to proceed with the matter. Matter should be heard. Now almost court time is over. We have seen that from 3:30 the court time was there. Then the court has recorded that since the ED has sought for time, sought for adjournment on the ground of the pendency of the special leave petition, and the counsels of the respondents have said that they are willing to hear the matter, they are participate in the proceeding. The matter is adjourned up to the disposal of the SLP by the Supreme.
आप लोग संतुष्ट हैं आज के?
IPAC तो पार्टी है उसमें, रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 4 AITC जो बना है उसको IPAC तो पार्टी है।
लेकिन फिर ये सवाल उठा के पिटिशनर नहीं है, IPAC पिटिशनर नहीं है,
वो उनको बोलने दीजिए, उनका आर्गुमेंट तो कोर्ट तो एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, उन्होंने जो बोला कोर्ट कुछ नहीं एक्सेप्ट किया।